Hey guys, this is Dipti. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you a bunch of products I received from TRESTIQUE brand. So this brand creates a beauty essential which simplifies that how to use product, how to carry and how to apply. So let's see what I received one by one. So totally I have 5 products here. So let's start with this. The first product is Tint Moisturizer Blend Face Stick. It's like a foundation stick, and this is how it looks. Have the sponge here and just blend it. So that's amazing, right? And then the next product is this gorgeous blush. I was very excited to try this. Get tool backside, so you don't need to carry the sponge or brush. Here is this tiny brush. You just blend it. Super, right? So this is the blush. And then next one is we have this color blend shadow crayon. It's like a eyeshadow stick. Here is this shade. I'm gonna use it today. So again you have this little brush backside. Can you see? And then just blend it. Super, right? Simplified to use. And then we have this matte color shiny lip balm crayon. And wow, I'm gonna look at the shades. This is the perfect like a berry color which suits to my brown skin. So I'm gonna use it today. And then what we have here for lip balm, we don't need brush. Let's see. Here we have a lip balm this tiny. I'm gonna use it right now. So just put the lip balm, and after that just put this lipstick. Ding! I really love it. And then last thing is this mascara. It looks cute. Love the packaging, right? So handy. And then this is also 2-in-1. Here flip down to curl. Okay. Oh, so this is a curler. Ding. So you just curl your lashes. I always curl my lashes before applying mascara because I have a tiny lashes. So if I curl it, you can at least see them. So this is cool, right? Because I always keep my curler here and there and I have to find it. So here you get 2-in-1, curler plus mascara. And then back side, I think we have here mascara. Ding! How cool is that? So you get 2-in-1 products. And then one more thing, you get this bag where all product fits perfectly and you are ready to go. So let's put everything inside. Ding ding. Here is your makeup bag. Just take it and go and just open it and do your makeup. Where is the mirror? We need mirror also, right? Here you get mirror. So whatever you need for makeup, everything inside this bag, including the mirror. And then just hold this mirror and then just do your makeup. Ding, 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 ding. So let's start. I'm gonna show you my simple makeup using this product. First thing, I already applied moisturizer and primer. I used Milani Rose Primer. And now my skin is ready to put some makeup. So first thing, we're gonna use this face stick. Have a mirror here. Then just blend it. Oh wow, this foundation is so good. It's so light and it's not cakey at all. So applied this face stick. I'm gonna just put some little bit concealer here. Yes, we need to, right? I'll just put some concealer. So I love this face stick, so light, and you can see the coverage, pretty good coverage, and the skin looks so good. Wow. So good. So after that, here is this stick, and I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid, and then I'm gonna blend it using this brush. So just put it a little bit. So easy to use, you don't even need a brush. Just gonna first put it and then blend it, and just put it on my eyelid. This color is gorgeous, right? And then just put the brush, this tiny brush, and I'm just gonna one shade eyeshadow. Most of the time I use, whenever I go out in hurry, I just use one shade. So this is cool, right? I'm literally using the same mirror. Can you see this yourself? Ding! Such a natural shade. So next one, we're gonna use this blush. Pretty shade, right? I love the pink. Very curly. And then, so I like to put my blush here and here, which makes my face look lifted. So now we're gonna use this lip crayon. So first thing, I'm gonna apply lip balm to moisturize my lip. But we have a lip balm here, 2-in-1. And now it's time to put this matte lip shade. Ding! Shade is so pretty and so moisturized, and I'm almost done. Now what else? The last product is, where is it? So last product is this mascara. So first thing, I'm gonna open the mascara and to use this color. Let me curl my lashes. Need that. Now we're just gonna apply this mascara. Can you see? Mascara is pretty good. Look at that, my lashes. You can see I have lashes now. Can you see my lashes? Ting ting. And then that's it. So this was my today's makeup using all these beautiful TRESTIQUE products. Those are amazing, easy to use, easy to handle, easy to apply, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and check my Instagram, my Facebook, and also turn on this notification button on so you will get notification of my next videos. And stay connected, stay healthy, and stay happy. Bye bye.